This is RC back again, and today we are going to discuss what is new normal. All the countries, they are resuming back to work. Earlier it was closed for 2 to 3 months, but now everyone is starting back. All over the world, scientists are trying their best to find a vaccination, but till the time vaccination is not there, we have to follow the new normal. Some things are going to be the part of our usual daily life. So here we are going to discuss what are some do's and don'ts of new normal. First thing is wearing a mask. It's very important that you should wear a mask whenever you go out of the house. But don't wear the mask if you are going for an exercise or for jogging. Next is washing hands with soap and water. It's very important. Whenever you are coming out, going out and coming back, must wash your hands, and even if you are outside or at your workplace, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for almost a minute with soap, and by using soap and water you should wash your hands. It has to be very thorough, and try avoiding wearing half sleeve shirts, because when you are wearing half sleeves then it touches the various surfaces, and if you are wearing half sleeves then try washing your hands with till your elbows. And the third thing is carrying hand sanitizer and wet tissues wherever you go. So you can just keep a handy hand sanitizer and wet tissues with you. And I forgot to tell you, when you are going out for work, at least carry 2 to 3 reusable face masks, because after every 2 hours it becomes wet. So better change it and wear a new mask. And next thing is we need to change our greeting system also. Like the best is to say namaste or hi from far, or just a Korean bow, and avoid hugging each other or kissing each other, especially for the kindergarten teachers and children. Just change the greeting pattern. Now the next is shopping. Whenever you go for shopping, must take proper precautions, and better to go for online shopping and online payments. Avoid going to supermarkets, and if it is very urgent or very necessary, then you go and take precautions over there. And ensure social distance also. It has to be I can say 1 meter to 2 meters depending on the space and area. Now I have come to know that places of worship are also opening, and like temples, mosques and cathedrals. Due respect to all religions, it's better to pray to your God at home and make your heart a temple for your God, and pray at home. Traveling should be avoided, and especially international traveling and domestic traveling also. So better to avoid. But if you are going for your office or school or your workplace, then you can better use your own vehicle. But if it's not available, then you can use the public transport. But over there also, please take proper precautions and try to wash hands as soon as possible. Eating out. We all love to eat out, but this is a time we should avoid. And if even you are ordering food at home, then take precautions, reheat the food, throw away the container and the plastic in which the food has arrived. So we have to really take care of ourselves. Visit to the hospitals and meeting doctors. If it is a small thing, avoid it. Leave the doctors and hospitals for COVID patients, and you can have the consultancy at home. Even at home, you can just speak to some doctor and ask for your treatment. And the last thing is share and care. You can donate to different orphanages or old age homes and people in need, because this is the time they also need your care. And be happy, take care of yourself, and love you all. Bye.